Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and after that here click on the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time here in our Gmail app, and now just to log out from one from these accounts here, well, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how you can do that is just first click here to manage accounts on this device. After that you will launch the Google account settings. You can see here these two accounts, and now for example to log out from one from them, for example from this first one, click here on top just to remove account. After that confirm your action by click to remove account again, and now you can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And now we should go again into the application to check it, and as can you see that in application we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.